The right way to hold gold in an IRA for long-term gains. Retirement planning requires smart diversification, and including gold in an individual retirement account, IRA, offers a unique way to hedge against inflation and market volatility. Here's a simplified approach to holding gold in an IRA. Why choose gold? Gold has been a reliable store of value for centuries. It protects against economic downturns and inflation, making it a strong asset for retirement portfolios. Types of gold IRAs. 1. Self-directed IRAs. These allow for alternative assets, including physical gold and gold-related securities. 2. Physical gold. Gold bars or coins meeting purity standards, 99.5% or higher. 3. Gold-related investments, ETFs or mining stocks, though they don't provide the same direct exposure as physical gold. How to set up a gold IRA. 1. Select a custodian. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian experienced in handling precious metals. 2. Fund the account. Transfer or rollover funds from an existing retirement account. 3. Buy gold. Purchase through an IRS-approved dealer. 4. Storage. Gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Personal possession is prohibited. Costs. Expect setup fees, annual maintenance fees, and storage costs. The spread between buying and selling prices can also impact your returns. While holding gold in an IRA can enhance portfolio diversification, it requires strict adherence to IRS rules and involves unique costs. With careful planning, it can offer valuable protection for your retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.